Wait, you haven't entered the giveaway yet? Because right now, as you're watching this, I'm unboxing the brand new PS5 Pro Disc Edition, and someone watching this video is going to win one. Could be you. But you've got to stick around, because I'm not just showing this beast off, I'm giving it away. Now listen, this isn't the same old PS5 you're used to. This is a next-gen upgrade that makes everything you've played before feel outdated. We're talking smoother frame rates, sharper visuals, full ray tracing, and power that takes games you already love and makes them look like they were made for the future. If you thought the original was fast, this one barely gives you time to blink. The moment you turn it on, it's like the console already knows what game you want. It's immersive. It's cinematic. And when you hold that controller and fire up your favorite title, everything else just disappears. This is the kind of console that makes your setup feel like a command center. Whether you're grinding in open world chaos or locked in a sweaty 1v1, the PS5 Pro Disc Edition gives you that edge. Crisp, responsive, beautiful. It's not just gaming, it's a flex. Now here's the part you're waiting for, the giveaway. I'm giving one of these away to someone who follows these exact steps. Don't miss a single one or you're out. Step 1, share this YouTube channel link, it's in my bio, with 6 of your friends, and make sure they subscribe to the channel too. Seriously, send it to the squad, get them hyped. Step 2, then come back here, scroll down, and tag 3 of your friends in the comments. That's it. No sign up pages, no gimmicks, no strings. Just show love, spread the word, and you're in. Imagine unboxing this thing yourself. Imagine firing up your favorite game in full pro mode. Imagine flexing the win to your friends who didn't enter. That could be you. But only if you take 2 minutes to follow those steps right now. I'll be choosing the winner straight from the comments, so if you're not tagging people, you're invisible. And if you don't share the channel and get those subs, well, someone else gets your spot. Don't wait, don't scroll past, don't think about it, just enter. This is your moment. Good luck.